Hello everyone, here we have some refrigerator components and this Emerson ductless unit. I'm going to start you with this Emerson ductless unit right here. It's got two fans, it's a mini split. It's got a Copeland scroll. This one looks like it's from 2014. This refrigerator component they're doing repairs of. See, it's got 2 Henry refrigerator compressors. It's a double stack one as well. And then this one has a reciprocating compressor. It's off. So you good look at it. So yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching.